Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, I skipped Tuesday because I really want to practice. Usually sometimes Tuesdays are my art block days, and they're usually my practice days. And what I mean by practice days, I mean by, try to upgrade my art style or try to, practice, get better in art, improve a little bit. And like you saw, I think on Monday's video, you saw that I was practicing expressions and everything, and I'm like, Tuesdays are going to be for practice and improve. Sometimes I woke up a little tired on Tuesday, and I was like, I gotta get out of this funk and gotta get out of this weird mood I was in, but back at it again. So for today's video, I thought since I've been practicing hairstyles like off camera or something, to make my hair look really cute for the camera, or just practicing hairstyles, which kind of gave me this idea of, after all, I've done like hair tutorials, drawing tutorials before on my channel, and I'm like, let's bring it back. But let's bring it back and kind of spruce it up. I've been taking a few Skillshare classes and um, basically drawing hair and hairstyles, and Valentine's Day coming up. So I'm like, so why not put a video up on cute hairstyles, drawing tutorial. So what I mean by that is I had done several hairstyle drawings here, and I've been practicing with that with cute hairstyles. We're going to be doing this in Procreate for that matter, and I think Procreate will be better for my drawing tutorials. You guys can see it clearer than my desk for right now. So that's how I'm going to be doing tutorials with Procreate. So now the marker bled through on this page of hairstyle examples, but I think you get the general idea of it, which is these hairstyles here. Basically the marker bled through, but I think you get the general idea. But I was practicing, hairstyles, and before we'll always draw the same hairstyle for each character, and each character will be the same. And I have that issue with eyes. Like each character, like see here, see these two examples here, this one, they have the same eye. And I'm like, it's different hairstyle color, and I know it's a variation. And I know you guys say you love my style, my eye style, and I don't want to change it. But I want to have variety of cartoon eyes. So my next step is to practice cartoon eyes and try to get better at that. And I want my style to be cartoony and cute at the same time. So it's practice, it takes time. So with that being said, I'm taking each element of my style and practicing it and try to get better on it. And that's why I bring up on Tuesdays, where I have my practice days, and try to get better at it so I can bring you more content. Now that's not the same reason why I draw, but the reason why I draw is I love it. So, but to get better at drawing, basically what I'm trying to say, and trying to elaborate why I took Tuesday off. But anyways, today's video, long intro, sorry guys, we're going to be drawing how to draw hairstyles in today's video on Procreate. So I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how to do that, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you for going to be taking Tuesday off, and let's go ahead. And inside all that point, well, okay, I might upload this tomorrow, so thank you for watching. Continue watching the video, and thank you for watching. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I've been taking a lot of Skillshare classes lately, and that's usually my Tuesdays, and taking Skillshare classes, and I just wanted to say that I've been learning a lot from it. I'm always saying that, but really Skillshare is awesome. This is not a sponsored video by any means by Skillshare, but I've been taking how to draw hairstyles, like manga hairstyles and classes, and this one was it helped me a lot with creating more volume with the character's hair and looking at reference pictures. Like, I wouldn't have thought of this if it weren't for Skillshare opening me up and looking at references online, like hairstyle references, and it was right there in front of me, and I was just taking what I learned from references and playing off of it and trying to learn like cute hairstyle. Like, now my characters don't look the same. Like, what I was trying to point out in my sketchbook examples in the beginning of the video, but now my characters look different, and it's just, you can definitely tell of the character hairstyle and the personality of the hairstyle. Um, but I'm going to look into more how hairstyle can be make a character personality, so that could be a part 2. But let me go over quickly on how to draw hairstyles. Usually, I like to draw the whole head first instead of starting straight with the hair. But you want to start with the skull and want to base your hair off of the skull and not like directly on the skull, if that makes any sense. To have more volume to it. You want to divide the hair into parts, and you want to start off with the broader shapes and then work your way into details. For that, so you see me here sketching out a couple of hairstyles, and to practice you want to have small thumbnail sketches like I'm doing here to practice, and I've done several hairstyle or hair videos, drawing tutorials on the channel, but I don't think I don't remember of doing actual hairstyle examples. So once I learned the trick in processing different hairstyles in smaller ways, like this one here, it just helped me advance my character style selections and um, practice. That's what I do on Tuesdays when I take the day off. And I keep, referring back to Tuesdays because Tuesdays are my most art blocked days. Everyone's so busy on Tuesday, and I feel like I can't concentrate in art or whatever. It's like my most art block days. So if you don't see a video posted on Tuesdays, that is why. And I hope I'm making this up. For Wednesday video, maybe it might be early, I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You'll see me ink these sketches. Now, they don't have faces because this is just focused on the hair. I practice my sketches in my sketchbook with faces, but I also do it the same way here in my sketchbook. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you got some understanding. So let's review real quick before the video ends. That you want to start with broader shapes. You want to divide the hair. You want to have the hairline as well. That's also important. You want to have, basically you want to start with broader shapes first and go to details after, like for the bangs, like I'm doing here. I could definitely see improvement because usually I used to do bangs and strands, but now I'm doing sections, and that's always helpful with the hairstyle you're focusing on. Like, you want to focus on details last. Hair could get so complicated, and I hope this is just a base on a way that you guys can do it. Let me know if you have any questions by any means. Leave them in the comments below. Practice in your sketchbook. I'd love to have you show me some of your work. Go to my Instagram, Emiliana Saray, and tag me on there if you want me to see your work. I'll be happy to see it. Comment it, heart it, like it, any of that. But guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys watch the rest of the video. Bye, guys.